Hey everyone, if Brave browser keeps crashing while you're using it, opening tabs, or launching videos, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to stop the crashes and make Brave stable again. First, restart your device. This clears temporary system glitches that may be causing Brave to crash repeatedly. Next, close any heavy apps running in the background. Yeah, low memory or high CPU usage can cause the browser to crash. If you're using an outdated version of Brave, that could be the problem. I mean, updates often include important bug fixes and stability improvements. Some extensions can cause conflicts and make Brave unstable. Disabling them can help identify which one is causing the crash. If Brave keeps crashing during use, corrupted cache or browsing data might be the reason. So clearing it can fix performance issues. Another useful fix is disabling hardware acceleration. Yeah, in some cases it causes display or rendering crashes. Malware or unwanted software can also cause browsers to crash, so run a quick antivirus scan to make sure your system is clean. If nothing else works, uninstall Brave and reinstall it from the official website. This replaces corrupted files and usually fixes persistent crashing issues, and that's it. One of these solutions should help fix Brave browser crashing and get it running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.